English Anyone, Lesson 12, Prepositions 1.
Hello, my name is Drew. What's your name? I speak English. Listen and watch.
The wig is under the box. The wig is on the box. The wig is in the box. The wig is in front of the box. The wig is behind the box. The wig is next to the box. The wig is above the box. The yellow block is next to the green block. The yellow block is next to the green block on the box. The orange is between the yellow block and the green block. The wig is on the orange, or the orange is under the wig. The wig is above the orange, or the orange is below the wig. Where? Where am I? Am I in front of the bridge? Yes, I am. I'm in front of the bridge. Where am I? Am I behind the bridge? Yes, I am. I'm behind the bridge. Where am I? Am I on the bridge? No, I'm not. I'm under the bridge. Where am I? Am I under the bridge? No, I'm not. I'm on the bridge. Where is Drew? Is he under the bridge? No, he isn't. He's next to the pole. Where is Drew? Is he next to the pole? No, he isn't. He's next to the tree. Where is Drew? Is he between the pole and the tree? Yes, he is. He's between the pole and the tree. Goodbye. For more great tips and lessons, and to get fluent in English faster with our free email video course, visit us at EnglishAnyone.com.